Is your PC running slow? Don't worry, I've got 3 powerful commands that will speed up your system instantly. Stay tuned because the last one is a game changer. First, let's clear out all the junk files slowing down your PC. Open Run by press Windows plus R, or right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Here type %temp% and hit Enter. Select and delete all files inside the folder. These are just temporary files that your system no longer needs. Removing them can free up space and improve performance. Next, we'll use a built-in command to scan and fix system errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Here type sfc/scannow and hit Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This checks for corrupted system files and repairs them, making your PC run smoother. Lastly, we'll optimize your hard drive for better speed. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type defrag /drive C and press Enter. Replace C with your drive letter if needed. Let the process complete. Defragmenting your drive organizes data efficiently, reducing lag and improving system responsiveness. And that's it. These 3 simple commands can help speed up your slow PC instantly. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.